The Ducati Superleggera V4 is a limited edition high-performance motorcycle that is handcrafted with precision and expertise. The Superleggera V4 is one of the most advanced production motorcycles ever built by Ducati and is made by hand from start to finish. The Superleggera V4 is like a Ferrari on two wheels, but with even more exclusivity and performance. So, what sets it apart from every other motorcycle on the market? The production of the Superleggera V4 is a highly specialized and intricate process that requires skilled technicians and state-of-the-art technology. The assembly of the motorcycle starts with the carbon fiber frame, which is manufactured using advanced techniques such as autoclave molding and vacuum bagging. The carbon fiber components of the Superleggera V4 are not only lightweight but also strong and durable, which is essential for a motorcycle that is designed to perform at the highest levels. Each carbon fiber piece is carefully inspected for any defects before it's assembled onto the frame. The engine in the Superleggera V4 is the heart and soul of this magnificent motorcycle. It's a masterpiece of engineering that combines the power of a MotoGP race bike with the refined performance of a street-legal motorcycle. The Superleggera V4 is powered by a 998cc DC Stradale R engine, which is capable of producing a staggering 224 horsepower and 85 pound-feet of torque. This engine is a masterpiece of technology and craftsmanship, featuring a unique counter-rotating crankshaft and twin-pulse firing order that provides unparalleled performance and responsiveness. To ensure that the engine is able to deliver its full potential, Ducati has also incorporated advanced technology such as variable length intake trumpets, titanium connecting rods, and a dry clutch. These features help to optimize the engine's performance and ensure that the Superleggera V4 delivers an unforgettable riding experience. The engine is assembled by hand by a team of highly skilled technicians who use specialized tools and equipment to ensure that every component is installed to exact specifications. After the engine is installed, the Superleggera V4 is fitted with a range of advanced electronic systems. From cornering ABS to traction control, this motorcycle is packed with cutting-edge technology that ensures maximum performance, safety, and control. One of the key electronic systems of the Superleggera V4 is its cornering ABS, which is designed to prevent the wheels from locking up during hard braking while cornering. This system uses sophisticated sensors and algorithms to adjust the brake pressure in real time, allowing the rider to maintain control and stability while braking. Another advanced electronic system of the Superleggera V4 is its traction control, which uses a combination of sensors and software to detect any loss of traction and adjust the engine output accordingly. This system ensures that the motorcycle maintains maximum grip on the road surface, even in wet or slippery conditions, allowing the rider to enjoy the full performance of the DC Stradale R engine. The Superleggera V4 also features a quick shifter, which allows the rider to change gears without using the clutch, providing lightning-fast gear changes that enhance the overall riding experience. In addition to these electronic systems, the Superleggera V4 is also equipped with the GPS-enabled data acquisition system, which provides real-time data on the motorcycle's performance, including speed, lean angle, and lap times. This system allows riders to analyze their performance and make adjustments to improve their riding skills. Before the Superleggera V4 makes it to the hands of its lucky owners, it goes through rigorous testing and procedures to ensure that it meets the highest standards of quality and performance. Each Superleggera V4 is tested and scrutinized at every stage of the production process, from the engine to the suspension and everything in between. The engine undergoes a thorough dyno test to ensure that it produces the desired amount of power and torque, while the suspension is tested on a specifically designed rig to ensure that it provides optimal performance and stability. The chassis and frame are also tested to ensure that they are strong enough to withstand the rigors of high-speed riding and racing. Once the motorcycle is assembled, it goes through a series of tests on a rolling road, where it's subjected to extreme conditions such as high speed runs and hard braking to ensure that it performs flawlessly in any situation in the real world. Finally, before the Superleggera V4 is released to its owner, it undergoes a final inspection and quality control check to ensure that it meets the highest standard of craftsmanship and performance. It is clear that Ducati leaves no stone unturned when it comes to ensuring that the Superleggera V4 is nothing short of perfection. Only 500 units of the Superleggera V4 were produced, making it an extremely exclusive and rare motorcycle. Each motorcycle is individually numbered and comes with a certificate of authenticity, which verifies its production number and confirms that it's an authentic Ducati Superleggera V4. The Ducati Superleggera V4 is an exceptional motorcycle that is built to the highest standards of performance and quality. Each motorcycle is a work of art that is meticulously designed, assembled, and tested to ensure that it delivers an unforgettable riding experience. With its advanced technology, lightweight construction, and powerful engine, the Superleggera V4 is a true masterpiece of motorcycle engineering. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we'll catch you in the next video. We'll be revving up with some more exclusive details.